Here, where the air is still clean and the water still runs pure, something was built differently. Most brands begin with a product. Indus Valley began with the question: is it safe? Can we make coloring safer? And the scientists stubborn enough to ask it and achieve it.
Hair color is the most chemical induced category in all of personal care. For years, the whole industry agreed on one thing, that it had to be. So I asked the only question worth asking: can this be made safe? Can it be organic and truly damage-free? Yes, it could be done. It simply had not been done well enough by people unwilling to compromise. That answer is where Indus Valley began.
An answer like that can't live in a laboratory. It has to be built by hands, by grit, and the hands that build it come from the hills around it. Almost everyone here is a woman. Most from the villages you can see from these windows. For many of them, this is the first money that has ever been entirely their own. So we don't stop at a wage. We teach what comes after it. Because we've watched what happens next. A woman who earns and knows her own worth doesn't rise alone. A daughter goes to school. A household stands taller. A generation grows up expecting more. After the formula, before it ever reaches you, every product is checked 3 times. 3 times by 3 different sets of hands. And every batch is tested, not a sample of them, everyone. Sometimes a batch falls short. Sometimes only by a little. It would be easy to let it through. No customer would ever know. We pour it away. Everything we make starts as something that grew. A leaf, a root, an oil pressed from a seed.
"50 years ago, when the company started, it started the aim with the well-being for the people, and by testing water, food, cosmetics, and drugs. In 1994, when I took it over, we found a problem. Can we make a safe hair color using only natural ingredients? And we started working on research on the hair colors, and that's how the Indus Valley started. We never thought to scale it, but we always thought to make a product of the highest standard, which can be exported to the first world countries. Now, Indus Valley is available in more than 25 plus countries globally, helping people to take care of their hair health.
Global in reach, stubborn at the core, large enough to be trusted, and still small enough to care who trusts us. It started with a question the world has never asked. Can it be safe? At Indus Valley, the answer is the only thing we've ever truly manufactured.